Finally, Attorney General Abubakar Malami is here before the Senate Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters. This was after he had twice given excuses, forcing the Senate to threaten to issue a warrant for his arrest. And when he showed up, the senators demanded to know why the Senate leadership were docked for alleged forgery. They expressed concerns that the evidence presented in court did not implicate the presiding officers of the Senate.
As at the time I came into office, there exists that investigation report which has indeed been concluded. The implication of that position is that arising from the routine and normal course of business, I have an obligation in the sustenance of the democratic systems that dictates that cases should be instituted upon reasonable grounds for suspicion of the commission of an offense, that I should go ahead and institute an action arising from an investigation that has been inherited.
Based on the powers conferred on this body, in our oversight functions, to ensure that these things, the matters that we've gone to go and prefer changes and all these things done, are they in public interest?
In its response, the Attorney General maintained that the amendment of the Senate Rule Book was not done in line with constitutional provision. He argued that in 2011, the Senate amended the rules through a motion and procedure, but the same could not be said for the 2015 version.
The purpose of our inquiry is not to look at the criminal case that is pending, that is the one that is an allegation of forgery and conspiracy and forgery. Neither are we looking at the civil matter which was filed and is pending in the Federal High Court.
Under Section 88 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, once invited, irrespective of what your defense is, irrespective of what the personal views of some of us are, because of the sanctity of this arm of government, in furtherance of Dicey, John Locke, and Montesquieu's position on separation of power, we expected you to attend.
At the end of the session, the senators pointed out that the hearing was not convened because the matter was in court, but to ensure that there was no abide of office. They also urged the Attorney General to ensure a good working relationship among all the arms of government. Paris Samuel, PTV News, Abuja.